and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
How would it feel if you could create tons of attention, grabbing web stories in just 3 clicks, even when you're enjoying in the mountains or sipping your favorite cappuccino, and ultimately tap into 5.3 billion global internet users without doing anything by your side? And the coolest part, you could put this on repeat mode and create stories for days, weeks, months, and even years to come on red-hot topics with just 3 clicks of your mouse. I'm talking about a revolutionary technology that uses artificial intelligence to create stories for any offer in any niche, without investing tons of hours or paying tons of money to expensive freelancers. Unless you're living on Mars, you must be aware that web stories have already created a big impact in the organic marketing world. And a large number of businesses are using the web stories in their marketing arsenal to get hordes of audience hooked like bees to honey. Check out the following numbers that amazed us as well. More than 500 million people use stories across all the company's platforms. Over 1 billion stories get shared across Facebook apps. Daily, 62% of users in the US plan to watch Facebook stories more than they do today. There are 4 million advertisers using stories to promote their products and services. Posting up to 5 stories per day gets business owners a 70% retention rate, more than 20% audience swipe up to link. Having branded stories, 1 out of 5 customers search for stories before buying a product or service. 1 in 4 Gen Zers and millennials actively seek stories of the products and services they're considering buying, and that's not all. Thousands of normal people, like you and me, are making a fortune by creating web stories for their audience across the globe. So, it's crystal clear that creating and selling web stories online is a widely untapped opportunity, and marketers can bank in big by tapping into this huge industry. Now, if you too are willing to grab your pie from this huge opportunity, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting Vortex AI Studio revolutionary AI tech that instantly creates thousands of GoogleTM friendly web stories and drives red-hot buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. With this by your side, create tons of fast-loading, mobile-centric Facebook, Instagram, and web stories that get 10x higher engagement, leads, and sales literally becomes a cakewalk. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1. Log in. To get started, just log in and enter the required details with few taps of your mouse, with no restrictions. Step 2. Choose and edit. Now, choose from huge range of 100+ stunning templates or edit instantly using drag and drop editor. Woo, create breathtaking web stories in a flash. Step 3. Share and profit. Great, you're all set. Now share these web stories to hordes of audience globally and start profiting right away. Here are some of the amazing benefits. Inside Vortex AI Studio, AI-powered story creation tool. Use Google's AMP technology to create breathtaking web, Facebook, and Instagram stories. In 3 clicks, ultra-fast loading times. Stories are hosted in Google or Bing Cache, which enables minimum loading times premium. Hand-picked templates. Create attention-grabbing web stories for any offer in any niche. Convert 10x visitors to customers. Instantly create thousands of engaging stories that convert visitors to customers. Smooth drag and drop editor. Manage any number of shapes, media, or text layers. Within your scenes, premium hosting. Host and play Google, web story on custom domain, WordPress, or on our servers. Get 10x higher search engine rankings. All stories created are ranked higher in Google, pocket-friendly. Host your stories on the most powerful, secure, and blazing fast hosting service. Multi-device, friendly. All stories created work smoothly on mobiles, desktops, etc. So you don't lose even a single audience. 100 plus pre-made animations. Create 10x better stories to skyrocket conversions. Faster monetization. Build, distribute, and monetize visual, engaging Google. Web stories in 3 clicks. Instant social traffic. Share stories on social media platforms to hook maximum audience, boost audience. Learning use stories to educate customers and prospects in an easy manner. 10x more engagement. Never pay for expensive and outdated engagement tools ever again. Build hype and create urgency. Create breathtaking store for showcasing your new product or launching new service, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Also, during this exclusive launch deal, you're also getting our limited time commercial license for no additional fee to provide high-in-demand web story creation services to hungry clients and bank and big. So be sure to take advantage of this while it's available at this crazy low one-time discounted price. Also, if you grab your copy today, you get premium bonuses worth $14,798 completely for free. As always, your purchase is backed by our rock-solid 30-day guarantee. There's no risk whatsoever attached. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Take my word, this is truly a game changer, and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. Don't forget this is a limited time offer and will be taken down at any moment of time, so don't wait. Hit the button below to get instant access to Vortex AI Studio right now. Good luck, and we look forward to help you build attention, grabbing web stories and get 10x audience attention hands down.